All right, so welcome back. This is a fun little project that I was exploring and with um, after doing some in classroom workshops with some students and some teachers. We were exploring with rock paper scissors, sort of one of those introductory programs. So again, just to recap for those of you that have not played that one, so you go ahead and you have a series of if statements to when you shake it. So again, if you shake your microbit, so we've got this one and this one, depending on the random value that pops up, it will either display a scissors or a rock or paper. And so here we've got rock beating scissors, and we're good to go. So if I shake it again, we got, oh, same thing, but these ones should be random. So again, here we've got tie, and we got tie. So, all right. So that's sort of the standard one, the standard rock paper scissors that we have come to learn and love. But what I did was I decided that I wanted to see if I could try if there's a way that I could beat the students at rock paper scissors because I think it's a fun game, but what if because we have these microbits, what sort of thing can we do to hack them? In other words, so what I went ahead and I did is I created my own rock paper scissors version here. And let's go ahead and play. So we've got our blue one and our green one here. So we go ahead and shake them. And so we see that rock beats scissors. So we go ahead and shake again. Oh, we gotta shake. Come on, shake. So we got scissors beating paper. So that's 2 for blue and 0 for green. Oh, so we got paper beating rock. So that's 3 for blue and 0 for green. So shake again. We got rock beating scissors. So we've got 4 versus 0. So you would think that there would be a little bit of a better average here if these are supposed to be random, but they're not. They are actually communicating with each other. So I've used the radio functionality between the microbits such that the this microbit, when you shake it, or is it this one? Yeah. So if you shake this one, and so this I would give to my opponent, they would go ahead and shake it, and we know the order of what beats what. This it will send the one that beats it. So this is randomized. So we have rock, for example, and then the rock will get will we know that the only thing that beats rock is paper, and so this will get sent paper, and so then it will display paper. And so me shaking this one will actually do nothing. It only is when this one gets shaked, shook, shaken, shaken, that it randomizes and says, oh, I'm going to be a scissor. And so then the scissor gets sent over here and says, well, or actually the rock says, okay, I can beat it, and it sends it over here. So it's actually sort of fun. So for those of you that are exploring with rock paper scissors, and you wanted to add a little bit of a bias to it or unfair advantage to you or to if some of your students are interested in that, then there you are. So it's can get fun in there, or I hope it gets fun in there. But yeah, so that's it in terms of how it looks. So again, the green one is picking a random number between 0, 1, and 2. Those are being equated to rock, paper, or scissors. And then what's happening is whatever is being picked in terms of what is going to be displayed, the winning item is then sent over to the blue one, and the blue one will then display that. And so the blue will always win in this case. So there's no need. So all I have to remember is don't give the student blue, and then we're good to go. Now I guess so. An extension on that could be that maybe I have it that I'm always a winner if I press A, and then I could switch it, but then when I have the green, I press A again, and then that will like the code in there will know that okay, now I have the winning one, and I switch it back, switch it so that I'm always the winner. But I guess it's a good time to maybe also let them win a few times, just so they don't feel sad about that. But yeah, so there it is. Fun little rock paper scissors version out there. If you're interested in the code, just comment down below, and I'll link it in the description. If you need it any sooner. But yeah, there it is. Thanks very much for watching, and happy coding, everyone.